Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Vercel deployments using project exports and storage step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to your Vercel dashboard. Select the project you wish to backup. Locate and click on the Settings tab. Scroll down to the Export section. Click on the Export button to initiate the project export. This action will generate a downloadable zip file containing your deployment assets. Save the zip file to a secure location on your local machine. Next, log into your preferred cloud storage service. Create a new folder specifically for your Vercel project backups. Upload the zip file from your local machine to this folder. Once the upload is complete, verify that the file is accessible. When you need to restore your project, download the zip file from your cloud storage. Unzip the file to access your project files. Now, navigate back to the Vercel dashboard. Select the option to create a new project. During the setup process, upload the unzipped project files. Complete the project configuration as needed. Finally, deploy the project to restore your application in Vercel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.